I don't think people understand just how impactful Sundanese culture has been on Indonesia. Ready to be amazed? First up, Dewi Sartika. In 1904, she founded the first school for girls in West Java, championing equal education. Talk about a pioneer. Next, we have Ayang Subur. His wisdom and traditional healing practices are legendary, reminding us of our deep connection to nature. Ever heard of Prabu Siliwangi? This legendary king of the 15th century unified the Sunda kingdom with justice and strong leadership. Toha Mokhtar, anyone? His literary works dive deep into Sundanese life and values, enriching Indonesia's literary heritage. And don't forget Ida Layla. Her enchanting voice has shaped both traditional and modern Indonesian music. Finally, there's Mang Koko, a maestro of Sundanese music. His work with traditional instruments has kept West Java's cultural identity alive. Explore their legacies and immerse yourself in